Marietta, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I kind of want to talk to you about, first of all, I want to talk to you about the purpose and why I really believe in purpose-driven businesses. And then I want to talk to you about something that I have for you to create this purpose-driven business in the United States and get paid and get started, especially if you have no idea how to make it happen, if you don't have any funds. So first things first, I want to start about why I believe that it's important to have a purpose, especially when it comes to creation of your business. So I talk a lot about having a purpose in business, but there's still people who kind of don't understand, like, what do you mean, purpose? So here is what I mean. When you define that business purpose from perspective, not just like I want to make money, right? But actually making an impact, serving humanity, right? Serving people that are your ideal customers that you really enjoy serving, then you will create huge positive impact. If you, on the other hand, start a business that is just money driven, there is no purpose in it, then chances are you're not going to enjoy it. And here's the deal, guys. Life is too short to do things we really don't enjoy, number one. And number two, if you are not really enjoying the work in the United States, if you're just thinking, oh, I just want to create this so I can just get the visa and then I can just be in the United States because I really want to be in the United States, well, that is not necessarily way to go. And here is why. You will get the visa. I'm talking E2, entrepreneur visa, investor visa. But the moment you get the visa, you need to actually manage the business. You actually need to work. You need to be and manage the business, particular business, and you cannot really work anywhere else. And so if you don't really enjoy your work, if you don't really enjoy serving other people or whatever, maybe it's a product-based business. But if you don't enjoy it, you're really not going to make it successful. I know many entrepreneurs who actually started companies, who actually moved to the United States, but then they were not successful. And it's because they don't have big enough why. And that why you actually want to start this business is connected with your purpose. And I truly believe in starting purpose-driven businesses, because if you start purpose-driven business that is connected with your personal why, then the business will succeed. And it's not just going to make you money, but it's also going to help fulfill your soul and your mission. And then it's also going to help other human beings. And so if you just want to start a business for sake of making money, I believe that is the outdated model. Like, we should not think about first making money. First, you need to align yourself with things that you love. You know, you have certain skills, certain passion, and then create a business around that skill and the passion. Because at some point you're going to realize, okay, I really don't enjoy this. This is not really my calling. Like, okay, now I live in the United States, but am I really living the American dream? Well, not necessarily. So the first step is really to define what is your why. Why do you want to do this business? And then you create that business around your why, because the next question will be, how can I monetize this? How can I monetize my passions, my skills? How can I monetize this? And then once you determine how to monetize it, then you're going to get very clear on who is your client, who is your ideal client, right? Who are the people I want to serve? Like me, I love serving entrepreneurs, visionaries, people with big visions who are coming from different countries. They're incredibly smart and creative, and they are coming from different country. They don't know the system in the United States. They are bright, they are driven, but they have no idea how to make it happen in the United States. And they come to me and they want the whole deal. They want to know how to start a company in the United States. They want to know how to be successful in the United States. They want to know how to make multiple 6 figures or 7 figures in the United States. They want it all. And these people, yes, they want to make money, but they also want to make a difference. They want to go big. They want to create big impact. I absolutely love these kind of people. I'm aligned with these kind of people. When I meet this type of people, I'm like, it's like I'm so happy and energized because this is my tribe. So I want you to also find your tribe. And once you find your tribe, then you're going to attract these people, all right? And then the third thing is this. People don't start businesses because they are afraid, because they don't have money, and they think, oh, I don't have money, so I cannot really start this business. Well, here's the deal. You can start a business right now and you don't really need any money. How about that? So guys, here's something I want to offer you. I have a VIP training. It's a VIP means it's not available to public. It's not a webinar. It's an actual training that I created, me and my team. And I'm giving this training for free to people who show commitment. So if you want to get this training, it's a 4-part VIP training. You need to comment below this video and comment below this video, say, I am in. I am in. If you type below this video, I am in, I'm gonna send you privately, I'm gonna send you access to this VIP training that you can watch, and you will be able to learn everything, how you go from idea, how to validate the idea, how to get clarity, what is your why, how you incorporate, how you actually start without any funds. This is huge. You can start right now without any funds, and I'm disclosing how you start without any funds in this training, and also how you get the approval, and I'm also talking about the mistakes that are happening during the visa interview. So if you are serious and committed to your American dream and you are willing to do whatever it takes, then definitely make sure to make sure to type below this video, I am in, and I will be sending you the free VIP training. And that is it for today, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.